Hi, I'm Todd Von Deek, Executive Director of Aphasia Access, and I'm thrilled to spend just a couple of minutes to give you some background on our upcoming 2018 Aphasia Awareness Month virtual conference. We're really excited to be hosting this in June and hope that you and your entire care team will join us on Friday, June 15th, for what should be a great day. This is really built out of conversation we've had with folks who have joined us for our leadership summit, first in Boston a few years ago, and then most recently in Orlando, who said there's just so much power in being able to come together as a community and to share what each aphasia program is doing and learn from experts in different areas of care. And we're going to try and replicate that just over the computer and beam it into your own organization and institution to try and save you a few travel dollars if we can. This is much more than a webinar. It's online live presentations along with an exhibit hall, networking opportunities, presentations for download, opportunity to interact with speakers and with fellow attendees. And even better than that is that once we're done on the 15th, everything will be available to attendees for another 60 days, allowing you to not only go back and make sure you didn't miss a thing, but maybe even invite folks from your community in and have a second viewing party and really share what should be a wonderful opportunity to kick off conversations, continue conversations, or strengthen conversations about communication access and an interprofessional approach to communication access. Folks who are involved in aphasia care really know that it's about the whole medical community, the fellow clinicians and caregivers, the family members and whatnot that have to all come together and work as one to build the environment where communication access is a reality and not just a theory. In the morning, we'll spend our time talking about best practices and we'll talk about the research in interprofessional care. You'll walk away with specific action steps that you can put into play in your own healthcare setting. And in the afternoon, we'll hear from folks from the Aphasia Institute as they take us through some of their trainings on supportive conversation and just how important that is in an interprofessional scenario. This is really something that's bigger than just speech language pathologists or center directors or program directors. So we hope you'll invite the team that you work with, whether that's other SLPs, case managers, nurses, physicians, you name it, anyone who's involved in the front lines of care really can take something home from this experience. And for one low price, you can put as many people in the room as you'd like. There will be CEs available, so you can take advantage of that. Your registration fee includes the CEs for one participant, and additional CEs are available for a low fee per person that really is just meant to cover some administrative costs in that regard. So we hope you'll join us on Friday, June 15th. We start at about 10 in the morning. We'll go until about 4:30, 5 o'clock. The whole schedule is online at aphasiaaccess.org. It's really a day-long opportunity for your entire care team to get together, learn from some experts, learn from hearing what's going on in the community about how to strengthen your approach to communication access from an interprofessional perspective, and take advantage of training, take advantage of an exhibit hall with other centers, solution providers, and the like. Get a hold of some presentations and really have a full-fledged day that I think is the type of thing that is right and good to have in the middle of Aphasia Awareness Month, and we couldn't be more pleased and honored to hopefully bring this directly to where you practice aphasia care. So, Todd Von Deek here. If you have any questions about the 2018 Aphasia Awareness Month virtual conference, don't hesitate to drop us a line at info@aphasiaaccess.org. You can get all the information and registration information and register online at aphasiaaccess.org as well. Thanks a lot. Hope to have you join us in June.